Hi, now we're going to go through the animated fire. And to start, we're going to start like this. We're going to start with the canvas that we got here. And this is 700 by 700 by 72. Now I'm not going to be using all of this. I've made this oversized because I'm just going to need it oversized. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and start with our layer. Let's copy out of our background layer, because I don't ever like starting with a background layer because it's always locked. There we go. Now let's kill the background. There we go. Now we got a background copy. So let's go up here, and what we're going to do is we're going to go filter. Let's render some clouds. There we go. Now let's filter and render some fibers. Something like that looks looks pretty good. Let's pump that variance up just one notch. There we go. Wow, look at that. There we are. A nice good start. As you can see, this is what the fire is kind of going to look like when we get into it. So we'll just leave it at that, and we'll pick it up in the next part.